It's a 2018 Audi S5 Coupe, crafted to provoke emotion and maybe even a little envy in every person you drive by. It comes with great features you'll love: intercooled turbo V6 engine, sport suspension, automatic transmission, express open and close tilting sunroof, wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, external memory control, front heated sport seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, and Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist. New Car Test Drive calls it a grand touring car designed to cover lots of ground at high speed while coddling a pair of occupants. They seat 2+2. The rear seats are for the occasional adult passengers or for bringing small kids along. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.